Double-click on an image to enlarge to full viewport. Double-click on a zoomed image to return to the original layout. Go to the Settings and choose Viewer tab. Scroll to the Split Layout section. In the Number of Panels row, select 2 option and save settings. Refresh the page so the changes in settings will be applied. Press Preload the steady icon and drag the images to the viewport. Now double-click on an image and the image is expanded inside active left panel. Double-click on image and hold Alt button. Expand the image to the opposite panel. Double-click on an image and the image is expanded inside the right panel. There are more options to expand the images to panels. Double-click between 2 images, expand both images inside the active panel. Works clicking on both vertically or horizontally neighboring viewport edges. Double-click on the crossing of 4 images, expand 4 images at once. Double-click on an expanded image, switch back to its original layout.